Hey everyone, good evening. This is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor and founder of Teach Me Cloud. So I'm going to create this video to help you to understand about the number of videos and number of contents that I have already uploaded in my different platforms like YouTube, Udemy, or mobile application. So as I have a 15 years of experience in IT, especially training and education, so I know very well about the market requirement and organization requirement. I'm talking about the IT organization. So if you're working in IT organization, if you're working in IT industry, so you know very well about it's our responsibility. We must need to prepare ourselves as per the market requirement, right? So Teach Me Cloud already created multiple contents, already created multiple videos, project, and multiple live practicals. Those practicals and projects can help you to grow your IT career. So basically, if we talk about nowadays, we have a easiest way to grab the knowledge from internet. You know that internet, we have a option to easily get a internet access, because you know that in just 250 rupees we are able to get a 2 gig of data on every day, so which is enough data. So do not waste your data or internet by swiping reels, by swiping YouTube shorts, because over internet, I'm not saying that Teach Me Cloud can give you only the best content. N number of channel, YouTube channel, and number of blogs are available. Those blogs and YouTube channel can help you to learn new technologies. But I'm going to define you about the Teach Me Cloud basically. So from only because of your support, guys, we reached up to 29,480 subscribers, means approximately 30,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. And if we talk about our Udemy, so over Udemy, up to 1,200 downloads, means 1,200 users already registered on my Udemy course. And if we talk about our mobile application, so over a mobile application, I have approximately 890 90 people can downloaded my mobile applications. And if we're talking about the purchase, so up to 400 people already purchased my course. So as you know that Teach Me Cloud always try to give you the quality based content. Teach Me Cloud always try to give you content based on organization's requirement or market requirement. So the agenda of this video, I just started a new, it's not a playlist, it's a type of you can say that day two, it's a type of troubleshooting based content. I'm talking about the patches, because if you're working as a system administrator, it's our responsibility. We should know about what is patching. So recently I added one playlist. Those playlists can help you to manage and understand everything from beginners to expert level of activity related to patching. So this is one playlist that I added. Second playlist I added for Microsoft Intune. I already uploaded 2.5 hours of content. One video already uploaded. In future we'll upload another videos as well. So you will get the complete information about the Microsoft Intune. And Veeam Backup, up to 16 classes of Veeam Backup videos already uploaded. If you want to be expert in case of Veeam Backup and expert, so I have already uploaded enough content to learn everything related to the backup services. AG104, AWS Solution Architect, VMware Virtualization, and some part of our Architect and Office 365. These all are the playlists which are available on my YouTube channel. So if you really want to grow in your IT career, so definitely Teach Me Cloud always with you and always try to help you. Guys, please support Teach Me Cloud, and you can also drop your comment. You can also drop your suggestion, what exactly you want from my side. I definitely try to help you. That's it, guys. Do subscribe your Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Take care. Bye-bye.